Yes, now here writing 7-digit numbers in the Indian place value system. So we are discussing about Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, how to write if 7-digit number is given. 7-digit number is given. Here, see here. First are ones. This is called period. So these are place values. These are place. So this is a period value and this is place value. So these ones, tens, 100. These three comes under ones period. And 1000, 10,000. This comes under 1000 period. And lakhs, 10 lakhs comes under lakhs period. So this is ones period. Ones period means ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens, 100. These three digits comes under ones period. If the number is in hundreds period, in tens period, in ones period, whatever it is, that is called in ones period. So these are the place values, ones, tens, 100. So after that, 1000 and 10,000. If any number comes in the place of 1000 and 10,000, then we call this is 1000 period, thousands period. So lakhs, and after that this is the 6th digit and this is our 7th digit. 6th digit lakhs and 7th digit place value place 10 lakhs. If any number comes in these two places, that we call as lakhs period. Lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. So this is our Indian place value systems. If suppose if any number is given to write, to say how to read. For example, 3274951. So if this number is given, this is our example. For example, this question is given, so then how to read this question, how to read this numeral. So one numeral is given, that is 32491. So then how to read, say. So these two comes under lakhs period, and these two comes under thousands period, and these three comes under ones period. Then how to read 32. These two are in lakhs, so we say 32 lakhs. 32 lakhs. 74,951. 951. Once again see 32. These two are in lakhs period, so we say 32 lakhs. 74. These two are in thousands period. 74,000. These three are in ones period. Then 951. 951. So in this way we have to read. First we have to check in which place they are. According to the third place, that period we have to write 32 lakhs. 74,951. Then, so this is the number name. This is our number name. If numeral is given, then in this way we have to write number name. First ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. First ones, tens, 100. These three are called ones period. These three are called ones period. 1000, 10,000. These two comes under thousands period. Lakh, 10 lakh. These two comes under lakhs period. So ones period, ones, tens, 100. These three comes under ones period. Then 1000, 10,000 they comes under thousands period. Lakh, 10 lakh they comes under lakhs period. Then representing 6 and 7 digit numbers are abacus. Abacus, how to represent number. So here, so some bits are given. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It represent 6 digit number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one represent 7 digit number. Then how to represent, what number represents? So this abacus, which number it represents? See here, this is ones period, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh. Then which number it represents? Which number this abacus? this 6-digit abacus represents. First we have to count number of bits. How many bits are there in each and every place? First, starts from lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits are there. This is 6. 1, 2. Next 2. Next, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bits are there. Next, in hundreds, how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then tens, how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3. In ones, how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This. So this number it represents this number on abacus. Then 1, 2, 3. These three places comes under ones period. After ones period, keep one comma. So after that, two place values. 1000 and 10,000, these comes under thousands period, and after that comma. After that comma. We keep commas like this. This first starting 3 digits, that is ones period. 1, 2, 3. We keep one comma. Then after 2 digits, that is 1000, 10,000. After that we keep one comma, and this is lakhs place. And this second one, second abacus. On second abacus, so this one, what number it represents? Which number it represents? See here. First, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place, this is lakhs place, this is 10 lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Here how many bits were there? 1, 2. Here the number represents 2. In this, how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Then here 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 bits were there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bits. 7 bits. Then after that here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits were there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits here. Then after that final ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits were there. So here, so second abacus represents this number, that is after commas. So after 3 places we keep one comma. After ones period we keep one comma. After tens period, after thousands period we keep one comma. So after 3 places, 1, 2, 3, that means ones period. After ones period we keep one comma. After 2 places, after thousands we keep one more comma. So then how to read? This is lakhs period, 29 lakhs. This is thousands period, 37,465. 465. In this way we represent. So whatever the bits were there on the abacus, so by counting that bits we have to write the digits, the place means the numbers. So then after that, what is there in the ones place, what is there in the tens place, what is there in the hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, we have to count each and every bit and we have to write the numeral. So this is the representation representing numerals on abacus. This is our place values in Indian system. Now here, so we discuss about writing 8-digit numbers. Before we discuss 7-digit numbers, now we are going to discuss 8-digit numbers, how to represent 8-digit numbers in Indian place value system. 8-digit numbers as well as 9-digit numbers. So before we completed 7-digit numbers, how to read, how to represent on abacus, everything we discuss about 7-digit numbers. Now we are going to discuss about 8-digit numbers, how to represent 8-digit numbers in Indian place value system. Indian place value system. Now here, first we know till here. Till here we know very well. So just now we discuss from lakhs. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places we know how to represent. Then one more place is there, that is crores. Crores place. So this is our 8th place. This is our 8th place. So this is our periods. This is our places. These are our places. These are our period values. So then, starting 3 digits, we know that these and this means ones, tens, 100. These are ones period. This comes under ones period. And 1000 and 10,000, this comes under thousands period. And lakh, 10 lakh, this comes under lakhs period. The extra 8th digit that we call crore in Indian system. In Indian system, 8th digit is called crore, that comes under crores period. Crores period, that comes under crores period. So, first one is ones, we know this tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After that lakhs, 10 lakhs. After 10 lakhs, this is crore. This is crore. These are the places. All these are 8 places. 8 places in Indian system. 8 place values in Indian system. So this is the period in Indian system. So then, if for example, if any number, if I give example, how to read in words. 3, 5, 7, 6, 9, 5, 2, 7. This is a number, this is a 8-digit number. If 8-digit number is given, then how to read in Indian system, Indian place value system, then how to read. First, this is crores period, these two are in lakhs period, these two are in thousands period, these three are in ones period. Then, how to read? See, 3 crores. How to read? 3 crores, because this 3 is in crores period. 3 crores, 57 lakhs, 69,527. 527. This is the way to read. This is the way to read. This is the way to write our numerals in Indian place value system. What is that? 3. First 3. 3 is in crores period. 3 crore, 57 lakhs, 69,527. 527. So now, this is the place value is till 8 digits. Till 8 digits. 7 digits and 8 digits over. Now we are going to discuss 9 digits. Then how to read if 9-digit number is given in Indian place value system. Indian place value system. Till here we discuss. Till crore. Till crore, the same thing. Nothing, no change in that. One more extra digit will come. That comes under, that we called as 10 crores. 10 crores. First crores and 10 crores. First ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Then after that thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores, and after that 10 crore. So then these 3 places, first starting these 3 places comes under ones place, ones period. Then after that 2 periods comes under thousands period. Thousands period. Then lakhs and 10 lakhs comes under lakhs period. Lakhs period. Crores and 10 crores, these two comes under crores period. These two comes under crores period. So these are the place values and periods in Indian place value system. Then if suppose for example if I give any number, then how to read? That to 9-digit number. Three, 9, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 8, 6. So these are the values, these are the numerals given in places. Then how to read? These two in 9-digit, these two comes under crores period. So then 39 crores. 39 crores. Then how to read? 39 crores. These two comes under lakhs. 74 lakhs. These two comes under thousands. 23,000. 186. So in this way we have to read. Okay.